everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RJ Vlogs. Well, आज vlog बनाने का वैसा कोई पर्पस तो था नहीं because I'm staying at home, but जैसा कि बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स में हुआ है whenever you bought a phone from मतलब बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स में क्या मतलब मेरे साथ ही एक्चुअली हुआ है तो I'm just laying a precautionary measure before unboxing any phone. तो today I have bought a budget smartphone जो आपको टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा. So before unboxing it, I just want to shoot and I have to show you people as well what's the first glimpse of Redmi Note 8 Pro. Well, at this point of time, the phone that I'm using is Huawei Honor View 10. I must say that इसको मैंने Feb में लिया था. This is a quite slim, nice phone. Purple color का with dual camera, 20 megapixel rear and 16 is in front. But however, the battery backup is not satisfying on this particular phone, especially when you are using GPS. Everything else works fine perfectly, 6GB RAM. The photograph that you see on my Instagram has been shot, most of the photographs, I can say has been shot by this particular phone on Instagram. Suppose if there are 100, then 90 photographs on Instagram has been shot by this particular phone. So photograph is good, and the color composition or the color that you get actually in Huawei phone is exceptional. But however, the battery backup is what is actually not as satisfying, although it has 3700 mAh battery, but still if you are using GPS, especially in GPS, it drains out drastically. And I'm fond of actually playing PUBG as well, so if it's fully charged and you are playing PUBG on this, it will hardly last for I could say that suppose 4 games or 1.5 hours. That's the maximum backup that I'm getting from this particular phone. So what I have done is I have booked this particular phone to sell it on Cashify. That's the easiest that I could get, because on OLX that you have to go on through several negotiation, and it again remains a risk that whom do you are selling the phone. So what I thought was let's sell it on Cashify. So the time update is right now it's exactly 10 o'clock in the morning, so might be I have booked it from 4 to 6, so one of the Cashify agent will come in between 4 to 6 to collect my Huawei Honor phone and will transfer the amount directly to my bank. So that was all the update. Let's start the unboxing of this particular phone. This is the sealed package that just now Amazon guy has given to me like 15 minutes before, so I was just setting up the camera and all of the stuff so that we can perform unboxing of this particular phone. So let's start. Alright, so this is the package which has been delivered by Amazon, and the video that you are seeing right now is probably could be the last video shot by my Huawei Honor View 10. So hope so the camera angle is appropriate. Yeah. So I'm just actually barging the screen as well on the top. So let's start the unboxing. I have the scissor. Yeah, let's go. अगर कुछ और निकला फोन की जगह तो at least I have a proof. So ये हटाओ इसे फेंको. Now let's check the seal. Seal seems to be intact from this side and from this side as well. Okay, so it's intact from both of the sides. Let's now remove the seal. अरे कट जा मेरा पप्पू निकल गया, यहाँ से भी खुल गया. अरे आजा बाहर, आजा 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 आजा. Okay, start the unboxing. इसमें हमें क्या मिलता है? Let's open up. Okay, इसमें again some warranty card or instruction card and a case which is translucent and somewhere type of black in color. Yep. And now we have to pull out the phone as well. Okay, so here we have the all new Redmi Note 8 Pro. Okay, तो आई बिलीव इसे रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, ये Redmi लिखा हुआ तो हम नहीं चला पाएंगे. Okay, this has been removed. I think so. This is not the glass body. I'm not sure. I have to read about it. However, on the precautionary side, I'll put it inside the case. In case it falls. और इसके अंदर हमें एक fast charger मिलता है and a charging cable and nothing much more in the box. As usual, they have stopped giving the headphones. So that was all which was the part of unboxing. Now what I'll do is I'll switch off the video from this. I'll shoot from my Canon M50 and will show you actually how to configure. All of you would know how to configure, but actually I'll put the SIM inside and we'll switch on the phone and we'll show you all the procedure along with it. So just switching off my last video from Honor View 10. You have played a good role, buddy. Thank you. Okay, so now let's start the configuration procedure. So before we start, actually I just want to show that there is actually a separate column for inserting a 2 nano SIM card, and along with it aside we have another slot which can be opened by the same SIM ejector tool, which is this one. So it's a dedicated slot for micro SD. That's all I want to say. So let's eject the tray for putting the SIM card. Okay, let's pull it out. Alright, so as you can see in the instruction over here, I hope so it would be clear, जाएगा एक nano SIM and a micro SD, and दूसरे वाले slot में जाएगा nano SIM. I'm so sorry about that. So इसमें nano SIM and a micro SD and दूसरे वाले में nano SIM. So I have actually ordered micro SD, so it will be delivered by tomorrow. तो अभी हम फिलहाल के लिए एक सिम कार्ड लगाते हैं. Alright, so the SIM injection part is done. Now is the time to switch on the phone. And one more thing, that as you can see, it actually has a dedicated 3.5mm jack as well. So type C, नीचे में speaker, and then a dedicated 3.5mm audio jack as well. Over here it's a quad camera along with a fingerprint sensor on the base, or ऊपर is a teardrop notch screen. So let's switch it on. Okay. And I'll also shoot some random pictures in my society of like could be of plant or could be of something else, which you can see on my Instagram channel, which I'll mention the link over here, somewhere here. So you can check out those pictures on my Instagram, and the video quality will be displayed in this particular vlog only. So the next video that you will see now will be from this particular Redmi Note 8 Pro, and for the pictures you have to go onto the Instagrams. So I'm just logging off from this particular Canon M50. Next video is from Note 8 Pro. Bye bye. Alright, so finally we have came out, and right now I'm shooting with my new phone, which is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the front camera quality. Now you can actually judge how the background actually looks and how the face detection and all those stuff is working. So after this I'll switch on to the rear camera, and that would be on 4K with 30 frames per second. So you can actually judge how the picture quality of it is as compared to the Huawei Honor View 10 that I was using earlier. So I'll shoot onto a glimpse of the distant object like the sky and the normal gallery, and then I'll shoot with the close-up things like the leaves and all those stuff, so that you can judge how the auto detection is as well working for this particular camera. And this would be my first time, so even I'm not sure how the voice quality is coming, so I have to check while editing this particular video. So let's start. Now I'm switching on to the rear camera, which is the main attraction, which is 64 megapixel with a quad camera of telephoto lens and a macro lens, and all those stuff that I have given in the description actually. So let's switch on to the rear camera now. Alright, so now first of all we'll start with the macro lens. Now this particular footage is 4K Ultra UHD. Sorry for all that shake because I'm not carrying any tripod or selfie stick, so now the last thing which is left is actually checking it out in the low light. So I'm just going on to my basement, the car parking area, where we can check how it performs in the low light. So let's hope for a good result. So right now we are in our basement, the car parking area, and this is the resolution or the clarity which it is providing in the low light. Is not that sort of low light that you can get in the night, but yeah, it's dark. It's quite dark. As you can see, the bulb is lit over there. So actually you can judge in this sort of light. This is the video quality that you are getting, and this is our beast. It's more darker over here, so let's focus on the micro hybrid M-Hawk. At the time of editing it will be clear to me as well how the resolution and the focus is. So that was all related to the unboxing and the first review of this particular Redmi Note 8 Pro. I'll be using this particular phone for the coming days in all my trips, and probably you can see the photographs on the Instagram as well. I'll click someone right now and I'll post it on my Instagram handle, which you can see over here, which is populating right now. So just follow over there to see the image quality. The video you have checked over here. So stay tuned for more update. This was the first ownership review. Like today I have unboxed and have just shown you the footages. In the coming vlogs you will see more about this particular phone, how it's performing, what is the battery backup, and how the battery is draining when you are playing PUBG and all those stuff. So stay tuned for more update and keep sharing, following RVRJ vlogs. Bye bye.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't